because this is the pre-seasoned end that we're gonna using it to go into any of the edges of the crystals that we might miss it. But this time I'm gonna using this precision brush to brush it on some of my beautiful metal charms right here. I'm not putting it on the crystal. I'm just seals on the top and around metal pieces right here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and close and open this red cap. Don't lose it. I usually put it right here when I'm working with the clients, so then I make sure that they're not like falling anywhere. So I'll leave it like this. I'm going to show you how I do it, so then that way you don't lose your red cap. So I'm going to go ahead and check around here. I see scratchy right here, so I'm going to using that much. You feel scratchy, then you're gonna just seal it in, and then each time you're gonna seal just a little bit, and then you guess what happened? It's gonna really blending so nice into the gap that had been missing with the top coat or condensed glue gels. And so then it seals all of those gaps and close the gap. So then that way, if the client's doing their hair, their clothes, anything else is normal activities, or you are doing his normal activities, doing, you know, during the cooking hours or anything else, doing it so you don't have to worry about it sketching on their head, your clothes, or the fabrics. And I'm gonna clear this for 60 seconds. And also, if you are going ahead and need more than just one, like it's doing it all of them, and then your client's like, Nancy, I still feeling it catching all over my head. It's just like it's stuck and it's pull all my hair off. I say, no, wait, I'm going to seal again. So you can seal more than just one time, and just make sure each time you are going to seal it, you need to flash key it for 30 seconds just for the best result. Because then after you're done, you don't squeeze them all at once, because it's going to flood your crystals. So here is 60 seconds again for this one. And then we are like pretty much is done. Okay, so where is my red cap? From here, so you don't lose it. The red caps protect the needles from getting clogging and also spilling, and you don't have to worry about it leaking out of the bottles. And that's what the question you always ask, and I always share, because I know that will definitely take your crystal designs and your business to the next level. So let me show really quick in these two designs. That's really cute and simple, right? And then I have like so many more tutorials. You can definitely please check them out. They're all free on our page, Facebook videos, also on YouTube, and then TikTok, and then Instagram. You can find anything. If you couldn't find any videos that you are looking for, don't hesitate to DM us. Our team will be so happy to assist you. So here is the looks for this two beauty.